This is your courtside reporter, Christine, for the Chairman's Cup of Philippines. So the fifth game has just concluded in between Aklan and Capiz, and Aklan won 81-73. Right now, we have here the second assistant coach for Team Aklan, Sir Liben Tersol. So congratulations, coach.
Thank you po.
So during the first half of the game, the scores were just really very close. Capiz almost came back on the fourth quarter. So what did you advise your players so they don't get complacent on the last stretch of the game?
Yung sinabi lang namin sa mga players namin is mag-focus lang sa depensa. Then, kung ano yung dinidesign na play namin, then buti naman at sinusunod po nila.
Alrighty. So any message to your supporters?
Ginatam niyo ako grade 8, may dahil nga hapon sa mga taga-Kalibo Aklan, especially kay Sir Jun Galieto, ro taga-ana 8 Aklan Polytechnic Institute, ag sa ana nga mother makaron nga naga-celebrate it ana nga birthday kay Ma'am Madam Galieto po. Thank you po. Kay Sir Coach Jess, ag sa bilog nga Barua, SBT Barua referees, kay Com Rachel Militar, kay Com Romel Dimbol, ay sa tanan niya membro it Barua referees. Good afternoon po.
All right. Thank you so much for your time again,
Thank
Coach
you, sir.
Liben, and congratulations.
Thank you, ma'am.
All right, and right now we have here the best player of the game for Team Aklan, Kobe Bryant Janito, with 29 points, 1 rebound, 1 assist, and 1 steal. So Kobe, congratulations again for winning the game and for being the best player. So during the first half of the game, you are the lead scorer. How did you maintain your performance until the last quarter?
Thankful po kami kasi usap-usap kami sa loob ng court. Kahit pagod na kami, naglaro na kami kaninang umaga. Ginawa pa rin namin lahat ng dinuro ni coach para lang mapainalo ang ngayong game.
All right, and
Focus po kami. Hindi po namin sinayang ang momentum na binigay sa amin.
okay, and any message to your supporters?
Nagpapasalamat po kami kay Boss John Galito, kay Doc Bal, tas sa mga coaches namin, kay Coach Liben Tersol, Coach Miko Mangilog, Coach Jim Joshua Adap, tas sa aming team manager, Lance Marte.
All right. Thank you so much, Kobe Bryant, and congratulations. So that is it for our fifth game, Aklan versus Capiz, with the score 81-73. So stay tuned for the next games. This is once again your courtside reporter, Christine, for the Chairman's Cup Philippines.